Microgreens are tiny sprouts of plants that are widely recognized by health enthusiasts around the world for their amazing nutritional value and distinctive taste. In this video, we will explore the world of microgreens and understand why they are so important for our overall health and well-being. Microgreens are essentially the young and tender shoots of vegetables that are harvested after the first few days or weeks of germination. They are smaller than baby greens but bigger than sprouts, and they are packed with a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes. These nutrient-rich plants are available in many different varieties, including kale, arugula, radish, and broccoli, to name a few. When it comes to nutrition, microgreens are an absolute powerhouse. They are loaded with vitamins C, K, and E, as well as essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium. In fact, studies have shown that some microgreens contain up to 40 times more nutritional value per gram than their mature counterparts. As such, they can help boost our immune system, regulate our metabolism, reduce inflammation, and even prevent chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. One of the best things about microgreens is how versatile they are. They can be added to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, and even cooked dishes to give a burst of flavor and added nutrients. Plus, they are easy to grow at home, making them a great addition to any kitchen garden. Microgreens are a simple yet powerful addition to any healthy diet. Whether you are looking to improve your overall health, boost your immunity, or simply add some delicious flavor to your meals, microgreens are definitely worth considering. So why not try some today and see how they can make a positive difference in your life?